Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss strings, list and sequences. In last video we studied string operations. These operations apply to sequences. Python lists are also kind of sequence. That means we can also index, slice and concatenate list. Let's learn with the example. Okay. See the list. First list is 1, 2, second list 3, 4. Concatenate first list to second list we are using the plus sign. Next 1, 2 into 3. Multiple the list we have to use star sign. 1 and 2 list multiple 4 3 times. Next grade is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. See the index of grades. A is in 0th position. B is in 1 position. C is 2 position. Suppose I am going to print the index of A. Grade we have to give grades. For 0th position we have to give 0, then we are getting the output A. A is in 0th position. Grades, to slice the list of grades. First number 2, last number 5. Means we are getting the 2nd position to 5th position. C is in the 2nd position, D is in the 4th position. Next, length. We are checking the length of grades. It has length value is 5. Next one is strings are always sequence of characters, whereas list can be sequences of random values. You can create list of numbers or list of strings or even mixed values. See the example. List. My list is equal to 1 JR 4 S. I am going to print my list. Coming video, I will discuss put points, rectangle, dice, button and even students. Using list of strings, let's rewrite our abbreviation program from previous video and make it simpler. This is our previous program. I am making the string into list. Create a list of strings called months by initializing Jan to December, 12 months. The code that creates the list is split over 2 lines. Normally, a Python statement is written in a single line. But in this case, Python knows that the list is not finished until the closing bracket. So, what we have to do? We can split. Next line, I am taking next line. After this closing this square bracket is encountered, list is closed. Just like strings indexed starting with 0 means Jan is in 0th position. Last positions mean n minus 1. In this list, n minus 1. We used n minus 1 directly in the print statement. Months n minus 1 directly we are going to print. Two statements Above two statements are no need. Next, save. Unmatched square bracket. Here you have to put the square bracket for the list. Open and close that bracket. Our input value is 4. It's deduct 4 minus 1 and gives third position month, that is April. Because as I told, list starts from 0. List is also a flexible. See with example. Months is equal to January, next February, main difference between the list and the strings is lists are mutable, means value of item can be modified with an assignment statement. String cannot be changed in place. See here, September, TMBER, August. Here, see the list. Different values. Month is first month, means January. I am going to print first month, so January is the output. Next, what is the difference between list and string? See with example. My list, I have two sequence 1, 2, Jayanti and Shankar. Then I am going to print the position. My list, first position I will take 0 and Jayanti is in 0th position. Indexed position is 1. Then it returns Shankar. Index starts with 0. So, next, list 1 is initialized with S. Assign S to the item in the position 1. Then I am going to print hereafter assignment new value replaced old. See Jayanti. But in string I am going to print, see, by string created one string. In that I will give thank you. This is my string value. Same operation, above operation I will try here, assigning and replacing. I will attempt same operation on this string, but it gives the error. See, I am going to check the 4th position. See here, it gives the assignment error. It gives the error not support assignment. Thank you, one and all.